Welcome back to Get Updated Now, and here we have Good Day Cappuccino with cocoa granula. So this coffee comes from Indonesia, and I'm quite excited to try this because I've never tried this kind of thing before, which comes with this extra little pack of cocoa. And to make it look like a perfect cappuccino, they've done really well. And this one comes from Indonesia, so that makes me more excited because they are quite pro when it comes to coffee. Like when you look for coffee from Indonesia, you'll find all different kinds of coffee, the starting from black coffee to all these new innovations. So let's do it. First we have to get water. It should be like around 80 degrees Celsius warm and or hot, and so it's not boiling water. And then we need around 150 ml, so I think this cup will be fine. And okay, yeah, let's do it. So here the water is ready, so it's in the cup now, and let's pour around 180 ml of water. Okay, and stir it. You can see the froth. And here goes the little chocolate. Looks great, right? Let's taste it. And yes, it's awesome. Not too sweet, and perfect. Not too strong also. So just like a good cappuccino should be. You can enjoy it with a good view as well. So I hope you like the video. Thank you for watching.